Okay students, in my last video I was telling you that why the narrator has given the title Ranga's marriage, and he described about his village also, that why the name of his village is not given anywhere in geography book or in any map. Now he is feeling sorry for that he started something else and now he is going to another direction. Means he started about Ranga's marriage, but now he is talking about village and geography and all. So he is feeling sorry for that. And then he is saying, if the state of Mysore is to Bharatvarsha, what the sweet Kari Godabu is to a festive meal, then Hosahalli is to Mysore state, what the filling is to the Kori Godabu. Okay, Kori Godabu is a sweet. So he is saying, just as Mysore is part of Bharatvarsha. Okay, means Bharatvarsha is just like a sweet, and the filling of that sweet is Mysore. Just like that, Mysore is a big city and Hosahalli is just like the filling of that Mysore city. And he has compared this to the sweet Kari Godabu. Okay. So, and that's why he is saying what I have said is absolutely true. Okay, he is saying that what he had told us is absolutely true. Believe me. Okay, he is telling us to believe him. And he is saying, I will not object to your questions, but I will stick to my opinion. Suppose we have any question about his village and all. He has no objection for any question, but he will be stick to his opinion. Okay, he will not change his opinion about Hosahalli. I am not the only one who speaks glowingly of Hosahalli. As you know, everyone loves its place. Wherever we live, we love this place. So he also loves the place Hosahalli very much, and that's why he is saying that it is not only me who speaks glowingly about Hosahalli. We have a doctor also. Okay, there is one doctor also in Hosahalli, and his name is Gundabhatta. Okay, Gundabhatta. In South India, we get these type of names only. So the name of the doctor is Gundabappa, and he agrees with me. Means he also praises the village Hosahalli. He has been to quite a few places. Okay, he was doctor in other places also, not in England. Okay, in India he was in some other places also, not in England. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, okay, suppose someone asks him about he had gone to England, and he answers no, Annaya. Annaya means brother. Okay, in Kannada language, for respected people or for elders, this word Annaya is spoken. So he says, no, Anya, I have left that to you. Means he had left England for them to go. Running around a flea-pestered dog is not for me. Flea-pestered dog is the dog who is having some itching problem. Okay, खुजली वाले dog जो होते हैं उनको कहते हैं. So he is saying that I am not a flea-pestered dog. Means I remain at one place. I have seen a few places in my life though. As a matter of fact, he has seen many. Okay, he tells others that he has seen a few places only in his life, but the fact is different. He had seen a lot of places. Now he is describing some more about his place. And he tells that we have some mango trees in our village. Okay, the narrator is having some mango trees also in his village, and he is inviting us, saying, come visit us, and I'll give you a raw mango from one of them. Okay, he is offering us to give a raw mango from any of the trees he is having in his place, and he is warning us, don't eat it, just take a bite. Okay, don't eat the complete mango, full mango, only take a bite. The sourness is sure to go straight to your brahmarandhra. Okay, and these mangoes become so sour that he is saying that its sourness is surely to go straight to your brahmarandhra. Okay, brahmarandhra is the soft part of our head. Okay, it is considered as a hole. Okay, randhra is hole, छेद, और ब्रह्म पार्ट इज आवर हेड, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्रह्मरंध्र. तो इतना खट्टा होगा वो मैंगो की जो खटास है वो सीधे हमारे हेड तक, हमारे ब्रेन तक पहुँचेगी. And he is telling, once I took one such fruit home and a chutney was made out of it. Okay, once he had taken one raw mango and a chutney you know is very simple thing. Chutney was made from this mango, and when the narrator ate it, he suffered from the cough problem. And then he went to the doctor for the cough medicine, and it was the time when the doctor told him about the special quality of that fruit. Okay, the special quality of that raw mango. And now, just as he is continuing, adding some more, just as the mango is special, so is everything else around our place. Okay, not only the mango, but there are so many other things which are also special in their village. They are having one creeper also. Creeper, you know, one बेल कहते हैं उसको, जो कि किसी भी चीज़ पर ऊपर चढ़ती जाती है, किसी ट्री पर और किसी वॉल पर. सो दे आर हैविंग वन क्रीपर ऑल्सो इन देयर क्लीन वाटर पॉन्ड. ओके, there is a pond in their village, and in that pond there is a creeper, and the flowers are so beautiful that one can see these flowers continuously, and the leaves of this creeper are so big that if you are taking 2 leaves from that creeper while you are going for bath, you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which to serve. As you know, the South Indian people most of the time use banana leaves to eat food. Okay, they use these leaves just like plates for serving food. So the leaves of that creeper are also so big that the food can be served on these leaves. And narrator is saying, you will say I'm rambling. Rambling means hyperbolic language, किसी चीज़ को बड़ा चढ़ा कर कहना. But he is saying it is always like that when the subject of our village comes up. Okay, जब हमारे गाँव की बात आती है, I always say like this. Okay, everyone, as I have told you, praise wherever we live. But enough. If anyone of you would like to visit that, drop me a line. It's okay. I have told you a lot, and now if you want to visit my place, just write down a line for me and I'll let you know where Hosahalli is. Okay, he will tell us the address of Hosahalli and which are the things can be like there. Okay, the best way of getting to know a place is to visit it. Don't you agree? And he is saying, if you want to know more about a place, then you should visit that place. And he is asking us if we are agree. Now I'll continue this chapter in my next video.